Understand your skin type. Know whether your skin is dry, sensitive, or oily. This helps you choose the right wax and products to prevent irritation. Exfoliate 24 hours before. Exfoliate your skin using a gentle scrub or a loofah. This removes dead skin cells, opens pores, and prevents ingrown hairs. Hydrate your skin daily. Well-moisturized skin ensures smoother waxing results. Avoid applying lotion on the day of the waxing, as it can affect wax adherence. Choose the right wax. Opt for hard wax or sugar wax for sensitive areas. Hard wax is excellent for pulling out coarse hair without tugging too much on the skin. Test for allergies. Do a patch test with your wax product at least 24 hours before the session to check for allergic reactions. Trim excess hair. If your hair is longer than a quarter inch, trim it to the ideal length to make waxing easier and less painful. Avoid shaving beforehand. Shaving makes hair coarse and can result in an uneven wax. Let your hair grow to the required length for effective waxing. Take a warm shower. A warm shower softens hair and opens up pores, making waxing less painful and more effective. Use baby powder. Dust the area with baby powder before waxing to absorb moisture and allow the wax to stick to the hair, not the skin. Apply numbing cream. Over-the-counter numbing creams can minimize discomfort. Apply it 30 minutes before waxing and follow product instructions. Wax in the right direction. Always apply wax in the direction of hair growth, and pull it off in the opposite direction for better results. Hold skin taut. Stretching the skin reduces pain and ensures a cleaner removal of hair during waxing. Breathe deeply during pulls. Inhale deeply before pulling and exhale as you pull off the wax. Controlled breathing can distract from pain. Avoid waxing around menstrual cycles. Skin is more sensitive a few days before and during menstruation. Schedule your session accordingly. Wear loose clothing post-wax. Opt for cotton underwear and loose clothes after waxing to avoid irritation and let the skin heal. Avoid sun exposure. Stay out of the sun for 24 hours before and after waxing. Sunburned skin is sensitive and prone to damage. Use a post-wax soothing gel. Apply aloe vera gel or a cooling product to calm the skin and reduce redness and irritation. After waxing, skip caffeine and alcohol. These can make your skin more sensitive to pain. Avoid them on waxing day for a better experience. Don't overuse retinoids. Stop using products with retinoids or alpha hydroxy acid the week prior, as they thin the skin and increase sensitivity. Practice good hygiene. Clean your waxing tools thoroughly before and after use to prevent infections or skin irritation. Wax regularly. Consistent waxing over time reduces hair density and makes the process less painful with each session. Be patient with DIY waxing. If you're a beginner, take it slow. Start with small sections and don't rush to prevent mistakes or discomfort. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.